Guys, 2014 Kia Optima GDI EX. This is what it sounds like before. You can barely hear it. Sound decibels are about 84, around there. So we'll let you guys hear it after. We're gonna do a muffler delete and quad tips. You see them right there, the black ones. They look nice. That's what it sounds like before. All right. Stay 2014 Kia Optima. I tell you, we do all cars, all shapes and sizes. So what we got done on this one, factory converter there, factory resonator, then it's 2-inch pipe, continues and it winds out here. It usually has 2 mufflers on it, one there and one there. We took them off and replaced them with straight pipe. So we did a rear muffler delete right there and right there. And then also we did quad tips out the back, black there and there to complete the look. It looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner with quad tips, as you guys can see there. There's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it right there and right there. So we took off those ugly tips and replaced them. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. That sounds really nice. I like it. Listen to that thing purr. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 98. More than that is too much. So you always want to try to keep the resonator on. It just gives it a deep tone without it being raspy. You guys get it? Go ahead and back it out. Kia Optima. Perfect. Got us a sexy pet. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Kia Optima. Here we go. Muffler delete, quad tips. Black, match the black wheels.